third time this week, he roared across the table. If you can't control that owl, it'll have to go. Harry tried yet again to explain. She's bored, he said. She's used to flying around outside. If I could just let her out at night. Do I look stupid? Snarled Uncle Vernon. Nope, what'll happen if that owl... He exchanged dark looks with his wife, Petunia. Harry tried to argue back, but his words were drowned by a large, loud belch from the Dursleys' son, Dudley. Want more bacon? There's more in the frying pan, Sweetums, said Aunt Petunia, turning misty eyes on her massive son. Let's build you up while we've got the chance. I don't like the sound of that school food. Nonsense, Petunia. I never went hungry when I was at Smeltings, said Uncle Vernon heartily. Dudley gets enough, don't you, son? Dudley, large, his bottom drooped over either side of the kitchen chair, grinned and turned to Harry. Pass the frying pan. You've forgotten the magic word, said Harry, irritably. The effect of this simple sentence on the rest of the family was incredible. Dudley gasped and fell out of his chair with a crash that shook the whole kitchen. Mrs. Dursley gave a small scream and clapped her hands to her mouth. Mr. Dursley jumped to his feet, veins throbbing in his temples. I meant please, said Harry quickly. I didn't mean... What have I told you, thundered his uncle, spraying spit over the table, about saying the M word in our house? But I... How dare you threaten Dudley, roared Uncle Vernon, pounding the table with his fist. I warn... I will not tolerate mention of your abnormality under this roof. Harry stared from his purple-faced uncle to his pale aunt, who was trying to leave Dudley to his feet. All right, said Harry. All right. Uncle Vernon sat back down, breathing like a winded rhinoceros, and watching Harry closely out of the corners of his small, sharp eyes. Ever since Harry had come home for the summer holidays, Uncle Vernon had been treating him like a bomb that might go off at any moment, because Harry Potter wasn't a normal boy. As a matter of fact, he was as that normal as it is possible to be. Harry Potter was a wizard fresh from his first year at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. And if the Dursley were unhappy to have him back for the holidays, it was nothing to how Harry felt. He missed Hogwarts so much, it was like having a constant stomachache. He missed the castle, with its secret passageways, and the ghosts, his classes, the Perhaps not Snape, the potions master. The mail arriving by owl, eating banquets in the Great Hall, and sleeping in his four-poster bed in the Tower dormitory, visiting the gamekeeper, Hagrid, in his cabin next to the Forbidden Forest, and the grounds, and especially Quidditch, the most popular sport in the wizarding world.